Are there wire diagrams available for FC420v AS11 motor?
Hello, they don't offer much for a diagram, but here it is with a parted list. There is a slight difference from company to company that use the Kawasaki motor, but usually the engine wiring is the same. Your ignition consists of a coil mounted outside of the flywheel and an igniter. That's the little metal box mounted on the side of the motor. That is the part that usually fails. Here is the test info for the coil and igniter. Your igniter should be the top one. Let me know what you find. Doug.
Thanks, Doug. I've checked the resistance on both units and found with my meter that the coil isn't as good as it could be, but the igniter seems to be okay, so I will be looking for a used one and hope for the best. Thanks for the help and the diagrams.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.